Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.
All right, guys, so as promised, I told you I was gonna do a demo once I get those Sundown SAE-3000s installed. So just gonna do a little walk around here and then we'll get right into it. So here we go. All right, guys, so let's take a look at what I got installed here. There they are right there, two Sundown SAE-3000Ds. These are replacing my old Hyphonics BXX 3000s, and let me tell you right now, these absolutely pound and put out the rated power that they're supposed to. There's actually a YouTube video where they put out certified 3,500 watts and uncertified up to clipping closer to 4,000. So these ZV5 15s back here are getting close to about 7,000, 7,500 watts for the pair. So definitely getting the power that they deserve, unlike with my old Hyphonics. So again, for those of you that haven't seen my other videos, here's my setup back here. Got two XP 3000s, little distribution block, and that is it. So without further ado, y'all know what time it is. Wanted to throw out one more thing here as far as pulling off a hair trick. So yes, this thing does hair trick, not bad for two 15s, but to be all honest, I'm not going to try to be something that I ain't. If you look over here, I can do a hair trick pretty good with the setup like this. As you can see, the window is up about an inch and a half to 2 inches, and that makes all the difference in the world with my setup here. If I roll the window all the way down, I can still do somewhat of a hair trick, but it doesn't blow the hair nearly as much as if I roll up the window a couple inches. You know, it's going to get to a point where I can do a full open door hair trick like my buddy at Down for Sound JP, but I tell you what, for the time being, running just two 15s on 7,500 watts, it ain't too bad, and I ain't going to complain. You know, if I got to roll the window up just a couple inches to get a badass hair trick, so be it. and I did a pretty good one with my wife. I'm going to throw the video in here now so you guys can check it out. Tell me what you think. All right, so we're going to try to pull off a little bag trick here, see how that goes, and see how it pulls it off. I'm going to turn it up when the bass comes. Here it comes. Woo! I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. That was sure fun. But boy, you know what? It sounds amazing for the time being, and it's only going to get better from here, ladies and gentlemen, because as with any stereo build, it's an evolving beast, and it's just going to get bigger and louder every single day. So hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. Please subscribe for future builds and future demos. It's going to be awesome.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling.